Welcome back to my channel, and today we're making an island salad. Here's our list of ingredients. So we have some jerk seasoning and some jerk marinade seasoning as well, some onion powder, garlic powder, some wonderful mangoes, some corn, some bell peppers, cucumbers, and plantain chips, the sweet and the green ones for that crunch factor, some romaine lettuce, as well as some shredded carrots, and chicken, and olive oil for our chicken. Our vitamin content for our island salad is mango, A, C, E, K, and folate. Our jerk marinade, which is C, calcium and iron. Our onion powder, B, C, calcium, iron, manganese, and potassium. Our garlic powder, B6, C, calcium, iron, and magnesium. Our plantain chips, B6, folate, magnesium, potassium. Our chicken breasts, B6, B12, niacin. Cucumbers, B, C, and K, and romaine lettuce, A, K, calcium, and folate. And shredded carrots, A, beta carotene, biotin, and potassium. Bell peppers, A, B2, B6, C, folate, niacin, potassium, and corn, B, C, and folate. I'm calling it island salad because we're going to have the taste of the tropics in here. We're going to have the plantain chips, the sweet, as well as the the green ones that are crushed up, some mangoes. So that's the island feel to that. And we're also going to have jerk chicken in our salad. So definitely, Jamaica. So here, I'm going to tell you, we're going to chop up our romaine lettuce, our cucumbers, our bell peppers are already cut up, our mangoes are already cut up, and our carrots are chopped up. So I have been letting my chicken sit in the jerk marinade, as well with some buttermilk. So that's why it looks like this. So I can make it nice and tender for our salad. And so I'm now going to put that on our stovetop so it could cook up. So I just seasoned it with some onion powder, garlic powder, and the jerk seasoning itself, as well as the jerk marinade. So I'm just waiting. I'm really trying to sear it so I can get a nice color, as well as obviously cook it through. So okay, put it in here. Get that nice sear. Okay. We're gonna let that cook up. So our jerk chicken is cooked for our salad. So I came up with this idea of this salad because, it's with the climate situation kind of going on, it's super hot. In South Florida, we're experiencing the high 90s, which is not necessarily uncommon for us, but definitely uncomfortable for us, which would be anyone, right? And those people in Arizona are experiencing in the hundreds. So we need something to kind of like cool us down a little bit and also healthy and delicious. So what, not a better thing than a salad, So I'm cutting my cucumbers, and cucumbers are like a natural diuretic. Now you can remove the seeds if you like. I just have a little bit of them removed, but not really. I actually try to drink cucumber and lemons every day. I know now they have cucumber aid, a form of type of lemonade, but I try to put lemon with my cucumber water. It's a great refreshing tasting water, especially in the summertime. It helps with, some inflammation as well. So you definitely want to try to incorporate cucumbers in your diet. So, and romaine lettuce, although it's more greener than iceberg, it does have, obviously it is water based, and so it helps cool you down as well. So I'm going to put my cucumbers in here since that's already all cut up. And my carrots are already all cut up as well. And then my bell peppers, I'm going to kind of incorporate all of that. And then we're going to get to mixing it. Chop up my romaine lettuce in here. Oh, let me add my corn while I'm at it. Add my corn. Now I am going to add a little bit of, a tiny bit of black pepper and Himalayan salt once I have everything in here incorporated. So far, so good. That's a little bit of my mango. Start putting that. Now my slices that I have for my garnish. So just my mango that's cubed up. Okay. Oops. There we go. Now this is my salad. I'm going to be eating it, so I have my hands all in it, and which is just fine because it is for moi. And let's start to cut up our lettuce. Oh, look at this. Look at those mangoes. Ooh, yes. Mangoes. Look at that red from the bell peppers. And the cucumber as the refreshing agent. The carrots, the orange from the carrots. Make sure this is fully coated. Then we're gonna put our chicken and our garnishment. So here's a little bit of black pepper that I said I would add to this, and a little bit of Himalayan salt to the salad. And I'm gonna toss it again. And I've already cut up my jerk. Make sure everything's fully mixed in. So I made a dressing for my salad, and all it is some mayo and some honey mustard, as well as some maple syrup and the Walker's jerk seasoning. I call this marinade because it's all like paste-like, so it's really good to kind of like let it seep in through your meats and your vegetables. So I have some of this, and I have some cut up mango pieces as well, and some white wine as my acid, since vinegar and I are not friends. So this will be my dressing, and you see it kind of looks, yeah, it looks jerkish, like, you know, you see all the seasonings in it, and it looks grayish, beigeish, taupish kind of color, and you see all the little speckles in there. That's the seasoning from the jerk. So that's what's in here. Wow, what a wonderful salad. Very tropical with the mangoes and the jerk chicken. And even the salad dressing is jerk too, with just a hint of sweetness to kind of tone down the heat from the jerk. And we have the plantain chips with the sweet plantain chips, as well as the regular. Oh, look at the beautiful red colors. Very tropical. Delish. Okay, so here is our wonderful salad. Can't wait. Let me add some dressing to this. Dig into my salad here. Get the freshness and the tropics all at one. Why is it not getting to my fork? Ooh, that dressing's money. Let me tell you something. If you weren't a salad eater, you'd want to be today. Taste the jerk. Super tender from the buttermilk they're sat in. Oh yes. Here's that kick. Oh yeah. Here's that kick. Oh. Celebration in my mouth. Whoa. Wow. Woo! Party. I need some more. Let us cool down. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Healthy. Delicious treat. Like, the jerk is amazingly delicious. But I just want to eat the salad. It's so good and refreshing. Oh my. Oh my gosh. The plantain chips. That hint of mango in here. That cucumber. Oh, whoa. Listen. If you're someone who loves Jamaican food, or you just like a little spice in your life, pick yourself up some of that Walker seasoning. Add it to your veggies, your fish, your chicken, to anything. And if you just want to cool down with all this heat out there, make yourself a wonderful island salad. You could omit and not put meat in it if you don't want. If you're a vegetarian, go straight for the veggies and the mango. This is so good. I'd love for you to try it. So, on that note, I thank you for hanging out with me and eating virtually and visually. And I'm going to ask you to comment below and let me know what kind of salads you do like. And if you're adventurous, like I am, and creative, what is it that you would make? Listen, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Click the like button, please. And hit the bell notification so you know every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Thank you again for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate your time. And I will see you in my next video.